Welcome to this 3-Minute Thursday video. As the name suggests, our plan is to provide 3-minute tips each Thursday of the semester. These videos are designed to give you quick, helpful tips to improve your teaching experience. For this Thursday's 3-minute tip, we will be talking about SpeedGrader in Canvas. If you have not used SpeedGrader yet, take a look at some of the benefits. SpeedGrader really can be a time saver since it allows you to view submissions, assign grades, and provide feedback all in one place. There are many options for feedback since you can annotate right on the submission and provide comments using text, audio, or video. I will be showing you screenshots of Canvas. Note that this will appear differently if you are using the mobile app. You can enter SpeedGrader through the gradebook or through your graded assignment, quiz, or discussion. Once you are there, you will see a menu at the top left of your screen. The first icon returns you to the gradebook. The second icon will post or hide the assignment. The third icon opens up settings which will allow you to sort your student list or allow for anonymous grading. You can also find a list of keyboard shortcuts or open a Canvas help menu. To the right of these icons, you will see the details of the assignment, quiz, or discussion. On the upper right, you will see more details, including the number of total students compared to the number of assignments you have graded, and the average score in points and percentage. You will also see arrows, which allow you to move to the next student or back to a previous student submission. Finally, you will see the student's name, if you have not used the option for anonymity. Besides using the arrows, you can also click on that student name to see a drop-down menu, which allows you to choose any student from the list. Under the purple bar with the menu and details, the student submission will open on the left with the SpeedGrader sidebar available on the right. This sidebar will allow you to type in a grade. If you have created a rubric, you can also open the rubric right in the sidebar and click through the ratings for each criteria to assign grades. We will go through rubrics in more detail in another 3-minute video, but I will include an introduction to rubrics in the notes. Finally, you can leave feedback by commenting in text form, creating an audio or video recording, or providing an attachment. It's really that simple. Since I gave a quick overview, please review the additional resources provided in the video description. We hope this Thursday's 3-minute tip has been helpful, and we encourage you to share it with others. Please contact us with comments, to schedule a consultation, or to share ideas for future videos. The best way to reach us is through our shared email account at gcid@ksu.edu. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for spending 3 minutes with us today.